Solbrit produces sustainable and innovative products so future generations may grow to be happier and healthier individuals in a better world. Solbrit is a European infant formula factory with unique production technology. We produce infant formula such as adapted milk powder under its own Nuppy brand. Nuppy products are shipped to the countries of Europe, Asia, Africa and Latin America. Over 90,000 babies consume our infant formula every year. Our factory has 4,000 tons of production capacity per year. We offer an option for creating private label products with unique recipes which are in demand by specific markets. Our plant manufactures its products in accordance with the norms and high standards of the European Union. Each finished batch undergoes a strict quality control process in the plant's certified laboratory. Products are shipped immediately after production in order to maximise the optimal storage time in our dealers' warehouses or on the shelves of their customers' stores. Our plant's logisticians will help to organise the prompt delivery of finished products to any country in the world by sea, air and surface transportation. Just add these high-quality, nutritious Solbrit products to expand your variety and enhance your business.